You know, when you look at that special rug in your home, you're not just seeing a floor covering, are you? Nope. You're seeing memories, maybe even a piece of family history. Today, we're going to dive into the amazing art of renewing those stories and preserving the beauty of the rugs that really anchor our homes.
So take a second and picture your own favorite rug. Have you started to notice the edges getting a little frayed? Or maybe there's a path worn right down the middle from years of foot traffic. These are the signs of a well-loved life, for sure, but they can start to look a lot like damage.
Because that's really the heart of it, isn't it? A great rug is so much more than just decoration. It's kind of like a silent witness to all the family gatherings, the quiet nights in, all the little moments. It's an investment, a huge piece of your home's unique story.
So let's talk about the problem. Even the toughest, most beautifully crafted rugs eventually run into the same issue: time. Little by little, their strength starts to fade, and that original beauty just isn't what it used to be.
But hey, for every problem, there's a solution, right? So how do you fight back against all those years of wear and tear? Well, that's exactly where a dedicated, professional repair service steps in. And this is the part that really matters. We are talking about expert care that's specifically designed for those heavy, long-lasting rugs. This is not your average cleaning service. No way. This is a specialized craft meant for pieces that were built to last and absolutely deserve to be preserved.
Okay, so what does expert care actually look like in practice? Let's pull back the curtain and get a closer look at the incredible craft of restoration. This is where real skill and artistry come together. The whole restoration process really boils down to 3 core techniques. First up, you've got reweaving. This is a super meticulous process where artisans match the original yarn and color to fit holes or tears, literally thread by thread. Then there's fringe repair. And this is more than just a quick trim. It's about re-securing the rug's foundation to stop it from unraveling. And finally, patching. This is a targeted fix, where a piece from a similar rug is used to seamlessly repair a specific damaged spot. It's like a blend of art and engineering all in one.
And the end goal here? It's a complete transformation. You start with something that's worn, weak, or damaged, and through this incredible craft, it becomes elegant, durable, and just fresh again. We're talking about a total renewal, not just a simple Band-Aid fix.
So what can you really expect when it's all said and done? What is the ultimate promise for your restored rug?
You know, it's about so much more than just making it look pretty again. The restoration brings back the rug's beauty, giving it that elegant, fresh look, but maybe even more importantly, it restores its structural strength. The result is true durability, extending the life of your investment for many, many years to come.
All right, so if you're sitting there thinking about a rug in your own home right now, you might be wondering, what's the next step? Let's talk about how you can start writing its next chapter.
Getting started is actually really straightforward. You can pop over to the Sam's Antique Rugs website to see all the details, give them a call directly, or just shoot over an email to get the conversation started about your rug.
Think about it. A rug that's been a part of your home for years. It holds so many stories, and its story definitely isn't over just because it's showing a little age. So the real question is, are you ready to help write its next beautiful chapter?